guys, this is Bushra from Bushra's Lifestyle, and in today's video we are going to organize one drawer at a time. So this is our bathroom. In our bathroom vanity in the center area, that's the first drawer. My husband put his belonging in there, and you could see it's pretty disorganized. I hope you can see it because I have set up my camera where you can kind of see it. So first thing in organizing, the very first step we are going to do, we are going to take everything out of the drawers and put it in the groups, or where the items belongs. He is sort of messy. I don't know if little or more, however you think, but these, I hope you can see it as I set up this camera instead of holding it today, I am doing it like, putting it all over. So the very first thing, just get rid of everything is in there, and I'm gonna pile up on our counter. See, he used these Q-tips and put them back. Who does that? I hope he doesn't watch my video, right? Okay, so are you guys with me so far? I think this is some mask or stuff. Oh my goodness, look at those. What is he thinking? He's gonna reuse them? Man, those are gross. Gosh. Boy. I am just going to throw them out. Oh, look at this little cute. He always say you are obsessed with, he says that you are obsessed with cleaning. Probably you got the idea. Why am I think of normal cleaning and he thinks that I am obsessed. So you are seeing that we are kind of emptying stuff. These are my girls. They just put everything wherever the girls could see. They're like, man, I'm so embarrassing to show you guys that. But this drawer organizing part 1 would help you how to organize your bathroom. So could not find this to save my life. So you guys will see that soon. This drawer will look really pretty and cute. And this is going to be our part 1 because I am going to organize this whole bathroom with you guys. I have mentioned that several times that this house is not that new to us now, but it's been like 10 months. And we have not organized the complete house or stuff like that. But gosh, guys, look at these here. Can you look at them? You see? Oh my goodness, they're like giving me, I feel like they're so gross. So they're giving me kind of grossness. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna clean it first. So second part is, very first step is take everything out to give yourself a vision how your spot or place looks. Doesn't matter, is it a room, is it a section, is it a piece of furniture and drawer in there, is a vanity, it does not matter. The thing matters that you when you get everything out, it's kind of give you a clear vision what you are looking for and what you want to do with your stuff, how you wanted to organize it. That's the first step. So I normally use to clean everything. There's a homemade cleaner I use for everything, all my cleaning or my organizing video where I clean first. You will hear that I have posted already that video, and it's featured on Home Talk as well. So you can just I will put a link below in the description so you can see what I use to clean any thing in my house, appliances, this, that. Somebody have asked me in a group that I should start a cleaning video on cleaning, a series on that, so I might do that. Here everything is clean, guys, so I am going to use to line it now. So this is the product I'm going to use to line this drawer. Here what I'm going to do, I'm gonna just put this inside and figure out what am I going to do. So I might pause it for, unless you really want to see everything, otherwise I'm going to pause it. Okay, so we are done with this lining, and I will include the video below where I taught you how to line the drawers. These are the most easiest lining, and it took me less than a minute. Then I purchased these bins from Dollar Tree. Can you guys see it? They call Essentials Organizer. Essentials is the brand. And so here's the tip. When you go to Dollar Tree, always have your measurements, whatever the product you wanted to buy, in your phone. So I knew that this basket will absolutely fit, and I bought that. So second, I'm gonna put another one. You want to take these labels off, you can take them off. Right now in the video I probably would not, because Google is the best thing to do it. It takes time to take them off. So once I figure out what, then I will use Google and take them off. So right now I'm not. Let's put and see. So they both are very easily going. And then we're gonna see if we can put 4 of them. Voila, they are absolutely kind of burning in, but they are still getting there. Okay, so here is the other side. So now there is a very clear vision to work with. Man, that's my husband's phone. I'm using it for taking picture for my blog post, and it's some kind of lousy volume I have in there. So okay, I think I should stop that. Okay, so these now 4 bins we have. Now I'm gonna start putting his stuff. These should go in here. His deodorant in 1 bin, and his all these is shaming stuff will go in 1 bin. I mean, seriously guys, he should be like, that was just gross what we saw here. I mean, I get it, but like, the guys are like this and the guys are like that. But I think the guys should have a little more sense, and they do. Definitely guys have more than my husband. As I said, hopefully he doesn't watch my video, but you know, I tell him that all the time. I think I'm gonna put these storage thingies in here. And what else? He does not even have that many things. What is this? I will so okay guys, so I think that was the horrible messy stuff he has, and we kind of figured that out now. He has room for things. These are his deodorant, and he could see where his those safety blades are. Where is the whatever is that? I'm not good at recognizing what the guy's stuff is. And when I grew up with almost 6 brothers, this is his hair stuff and thingies he used. Maybe I should put it on this side. So you just have to figure out where things go and where you want to put them in. Like, I'm still figuring it out. Should I put all his hair stuff in one corner and his shaving, his deodorant, and I still have one spare where I am thinking that if I find some little tray or something, I could put Q-tips for him as he goes through Q-tips like crazy, and I hate when he put those things back. So just give me a moment, I'll bring a tray and then I'll show you the final product. Guys, so it's all done. On here, deodorant, all his shave supplies, his hair, because he likes to cut his own, and these are the Q-tips, and I betcha 31 go back into it. And because that's my husband for you, here is his little probably whatever little pills, blood pressure medication will go here. So you saw the difference. All I spent $5. These are Dollar Tree product, $1 for one, but you have to take the measurement before you go to the Dollar Tree if you can fix it or not. And that's the first project in the bathroom I have tackled. Let's clean together, and I want you guys to go ahead and clean one at least one drawer today for you in your home, and leave me a comment below that which drawer in the house you have done, and after that, how have you felt? Did you feel like, oh, it's some sense of accomplishment? That whole project is less than 15 minutes. If you haven't subscribed to my blog or my YouTube channel, please do so. I love you all, and let's work together. Let's do all these organizing together and get our free time back. So I want you guys to leave me a comment below. What did you tackle after watching this video, please? And if you can send me a picture on my email address as well, or post it on my blog. I have a section for my readers. Good luck and subscribe below. Take care. Bye bye.